Hello and welcome to the cosmos, a realm where the boundaries of human imagination are constantly being pushed. Today we embark on an extraordinary journey to explore the vast expanse of space. It's a place of wonder and beauty, filled with countless stars, distant galaxies and colourful nebulae. But it's also a realm fraught with danger, where the unknown lurks in the shadows. Join me as we delve into the world of spacecraft, those incredible machines that brave the harshest conditions of space. We'll witness their constant battle against asteroids, navigating through fields of these rocky remnants with precision and skill. Spacecraft are our envoys to the cosmos. They are marvels of engineering, designed to withstand the extreme environments of space. From the moment they launch into the void, they carry the hopes and dreams of humanity. But even the most advanced spacecraft are dwarfed by the vastness of space. The sheer scale of the cosmos is humbling, reminding us of our small place in the universe, and within that vastness lurk unseen dangers. Asteroids, comets, and other celestial bodies pose constant threats, yet it is through these challenges that we learn, adapt, and continue our quest to explore the unknown. Asteroids. Rocky remnants from the early solar system. They hurtle through space at incredible speeds, invisible to the naked eye, a silent threat to our spacecraft. A collision, even with a small asteroid, can be catastrophic. It can damage instruments, cripple communication, even destroy a spacecraft entirely. That is why we must be vigilant. We must protect our spacecraft. So, how do we protect our spacecraft from this invisible threat? The answer lies in technology. Powerful telescopes scan the skies. They search for any object that might pose a danger. These telescopes are incredibly sensitive. They can detect even the faintest objects. Once an asteroid is detected, its trajectory is carefully calculated. This information is crucial for the next step: avoidance. Avoiding an asteroid is not as simple as just steering away. Spacecraft operate on precise trajectories. Any change must be carefully calculated and executed with extreme precision. It is a delicate dance, a cosmic ballet. The spacecraft fires its thrusters, gently nudging itself out of harm's way, a testament to the skill of our engineers and the ingenuity of humankind. Over the years, there have been many successful asteroid avoidance maneuvers. These maneuvers are critical for the safety of our spacecraft and the success of space missions. The ability to detect and avoid asteroids has been honed through years of technological advancements and rigorous training. Each maneuver is a complex operation that requires precise calculations and quick decision-making, each one a testament to the importance of this technology. The control rooms are filled with highly skilled scientists and engineers who work tirelessly to ensure the safety of the missions. They monitor every detail, from the spacecraft's trajectory to the movement of asteroids, using advanced satellite imagery and real-time data. One such example is the Near-Shoemaker spacecraft. This mission was a landmark in space exploration, showcasing the capabilities of modern technology and human ingenuity. The Near-Shoemaker was designed to study the asteroid Eros, providing valuable data about its composition and structure. In 1999, Near-Shoemaker was on its way to study the asteroid Eros. The mission was meticulously planned, with every detail accounted for. The launch was a success, and the spacecraft began its journey towards Eros, a journey that would take it millions of miles from Earth. However, a potentially dangerous asteroid was detected on a collision course. This unexpected threat required immediate action. The detection systems on board the spacecraft identified the asteroid early, giving the mission team enough time to devise a plan to avoid the collision. The spacecraft's trajectory was adjusted, narrowly avoiding a catastrophic impact. The thrusters fired, changing the course of the spacecraft just in time. This near miss was a testament to the effectiveness of the asteroid detection and avoidance systems and the skill of the mission team. The near Shoemaker continued its mission, successfully reaching Eros and providing invaluable data for future space exploration. The work of protecting spacecraft from asteroids is never truly done. Every day, dedicated teams of scientists and engineers work tirelessly to monitor the vast expanse of space. They use advanced technology and sophisticated algorithms to track the movement of countless celestial objects, ensuring that our spacecraft can navigate safely through the cosmos. It is an ongoing effort, a continuous cycle of observation, calculation, and adjustment. These experts spend countless hours peering through telescopes and analyzing data on their computers. They study the trajectories of asteroids and other space debris, making precise calculations to predict potential collisions and devise strategies to avoid them. But it is a vital effort, one that ensures the safety of our spacecraft and the success of our missions. When a spacecraft successfully navigates through an asteroid field, it is a moment of triumph for the entire team. The celebration in mission control is a testament to the hard work and dedication of everyone involved. These spacecraft are our eyes and ears in the cosmos. They travel to distant planets and stars, sending back images and data that expand our understanding of the universe. Each mission provides us with new insights and discoveries, helping us to piece together the vast puzzle of space. They provide us with invaluable data that is crucial for both scientific research and practical applications. This information helps us to better understand the composition and behavior of celestial bodies, and it also has practical uses, such as improving satellite navigation systems and predicting space weather. Data that helps us understand our place in the universe. By studying the information sent back by our spacecraft, scientists can make groundbreaking discoveries about the origins of our solar system, the potential for life on other planets, and the fundamental laws of physics that govern the cosmos. This knowledge not only satisfies our curiosity, but also inspires future generations to continue exploring the final frontier. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the world of spacecraft and asteroid avoidance. It is a testament to human ingenuity and our insatiable curiosity. If you enjoyed this exploration of the cosmos, please like this video and subscribe to Cosmic Discoveries for more adventures in space exploration. Until next time, keep looking up.